All right, welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to start setting up our routes, so routes in views. All right. So what we're gonna do is super simple. Let's set up our route first. So I'm gonna go to app, HTTP, and routes. Right. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do this all the way in the bottom here of the code. There we go. We're writing a lot of code, right? Comment this, and I'm gonna use one of these comments and put this here. And what we can call this is CRUD application. All right. Even though this is, you can, I don't know if you can call this an application. It's gonna be very small, but it works. So we're gonna do this with a resource. Remember that a resource is gonna give us some predefined already route names and URIs. Okay. All right. So post, and then we're gonna create a controller. And the controller is going to be, as a matter of fact, we already have a controller. We don't have to create one. We got a post controller. So this is going to go to post controller, guys. And do not worry too much if you don't understand everything 100% on this beginning lectures. By the time you get to the main application on this course, all right, you are going to know this stuff, and you're gonna be very confident about everything. Okay, trust me. All right. So now to look at these routes, all right, if you remember, we do PHP artisan route list. Okay. And as you can see, we have some predefined stuff waiting for us. We got the URIs right here, and you'll see how that works in a minute. And we got the name of those routes, so we can refer to them by the route names. And we have the action, where they're going, what the class, and the methods that they are targeting. As you can see, this is the method add, this is the controller, and then the method store, index, create, destroy, update, show, and edit. Those are the methods that we should have in our controller. Okay, and we should, if we click on them, which we have those methods there. All right, now those methods are going to have more actually better information, better functionality now, since we are going to be creating a little application here. So we got, now that we have set up our route, let's set up our views. So let's go to resources right here, views, and then I'm gonna right click on views, and I'm gonna click new. And as a matter of fact, let me just edit file templates. Let me do something here. PHP file. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna click on the plus symbol right here, as you can see, guys, and I'm gonna name this Blade. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create this new extension for Blade for our PHP Storm. If you're using PHP Storm, now when you create a file, not a new extension, but when you create a file, automatically this extension will be added to the file. So this is gonna be Blade, and then we're gonna say dot, actually Blade dot PHP. Okay. So I'll show you right now how this works exactly. So I'm gonna click apply and OK. Now every time I want to create a file, a Blade file, I'm gonna right click new, and I'm gonna look for the Blade. You see the name Blade? And now if I type in the folder name, because if you don't type it with extension, it creates a folder. Well, it creates a file, but if you put a forward slash and you say I want to create an index, watch what's gonna happen. So it creates the folder, and then creates the file with the extension .blade that we already set. All right, it's pretty cool functionality. That way you don't have to type in this extension .blade.php. Okay, so we have this folder, we have the index. Let's create another one inside the folder, and that's where I right clicked. We're gonna create the create page. Right click again. We're gonna create the edit, and we're gonna create the show. Those are the only ones we need right now. Okay, nothing else, just four of them. Beautiful. So this is where we're gonna have the create form, the edit form, which are very similar. This is the index where we're gonna be showing all our posts, And this is the show where we are going to be showing that specific post, the show page. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.